Designer, we need to talk about some terminology. Specifically, what are chains, pods, maps, and map lists? So let's take a look at that. I'm going to close this quest so I can go back to the main screen. And here we are looking at a map. The name of this map is Getting Started. And it has currently two visible columns, quests and class. Sometimes these are referred to as sections as well, but usually just columns because that's visibly, obviously what they are. There's a lot of other maps in the game though, and those are all shown on this map list. That's the drop-down list here that starts with Getting Started. And then there's a What's New map for returning players. The Getting Started map is for the new players. And then there's a couple of other sections here that we can drop down. You can see in basics, there's a whole bunch of things here, including some that are hidden from me currently. I have not unlocked those pieces yet. And then there's another section here that doesn't seem to have anything in it. And that's because I haven't finished unlocking that by doing all of the required orientation material. So these are all of the maps on the map list that are in the game. And within those, we have these columns, which each column can be a chain, such as the quests chain, or a pod, such as the class pod. We talked a little bit before about quest chains, where you must do the quests in order. They will unlock one by one as you finish them. The next one will unlock, giving you a sequential tour through that material. A pod is the other kind. You can complete the pod tasks in any order you like. They're not going to unlock one by one. You can see they're all yellow. They're all available for me. I can do them in any order. This particular pod requires that all of the tasks be completed. I know that because I put it together. It doesn't tell me that anywhere. But if it did have a specific number, for example, 3 have to be completed in order to finish that column, it would say that in the class title there. When it doesn't say anything, that usually means that all of them are required. If you have questions about chains, pods, maps, map lists, or how the interface works, please let me know or let one of the other bosses know.